Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari. So don't mind me, I was listening to music while I was making this video. So today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to refresh these twist braids into short. Now these are twists, so I'm going to show you how to refresh the twist into short braids. So I had already started, I had already made a few to see how they look before I decide to make the video. So this is how I want my hair to look. So short braids with beads. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to unravel the twist that I already have, and I'll cut the end so that it's easier to unravel it. So this is how my hair looks like, and now I'm just going to take a small piece of braid and braid on top of it. Remember, we're just refreshing the braid, so that's why I've not undone the small part that was inside. So my braids were double twist, so it was easier for me to refresh them. So after I'm done braiding, I'm just going to put beads at the end, and these are my beads. They are colorless. So after I put the beads, I have to tie a knot at the end to make sure that my beads are secure and they cannot get off, and I also make sure that it's tight. Then after that, I'm going to cut the excess part. And then I'll burn the end so that it looks neat. So I'm using a candle because the candle is long, and therefore before it gets short and it can burn my hand, I would have already finished burning all the ends of my braids. So as I was starting, I was using a matchbox, and it was a really bad idea. So yeah, just use a candle. So this is the second day. I'm already done with half, remaining with half of the hair. So I decided to just braid the hair, put the beads, cut the ends, but not burn the ends, because putting on the matchbox every time, putting it off, it was so much work. So I decided, let me just finish and then I'll burn all of them at once. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm done with burning all the ends, and this is how my hair looks like right now. I think it's neat. It's more neat. Not even I think, like, you can actually just say it. It's more neat than it was, and yeah, it looks pretty. So now I'm going to finish up the other half of my hair. Yay! So I'm finally done with making my hair. I've already burnt the ends. I've done everything. So this took me like 2 days. The first day I did my hair from around 9 to 2 a.m. And then now today, the second day, like the whole morning up to evening. Yeah, so like it really took me a lot of time, but it's worth it. My hair really looks pretty. It looks new. No one will even know. No one will know unless they see this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, share with your friends, and see you again next week on Tuesday and Friday. I usually say on Tuesday and Friday, but I don't post on Tuesday. I really try so much to look for a video for Tuesday. So see you on Tuesday and Friday. Bye bye.